always recommend Hawker Richardson. They've been a very good company and they've supported us well. GPC, of course, builds electronics for lots of different markets and different segments. We do agricultural equipment, we do sports equipment, we do medical equipment, automotive, defence, communications, industrial, lots and lots of different spaces we can do that in. GPC is in 3 countries. Our head office is still here in Sydney, in Penrith, and then we have a plant in Christchurch in New Zealand and another plant in Janssen in China. Hawker Richardson was really there from the beginning, so I think we grew together, and they too learned from the processes and saw what was happening in technology. Initially we invested in one Yamaha line with 3 machines, and that was a couple of years ago now. What we've seen is that we're delighted with the performance of that, and as our volumes in the factories have grown too, we then invested in another line here with another 3 machines. Typically in a plant like this we'd be processing 10 to 15 million components a month. We also look at boards, and we'd probably produce in the order of 20,000-30,000 assemblies a month as well. Certainly the machineries we're buying from Hawker Richardson is leading edge. We compete in a global marketplace, and it's important that we're able to provide both good quality products but also at a competitive price. So we've been working with Hawker Richardson on a range of products, and the advantage for us then is to make sure that we can lock in really good supplies of equipment which perform to our needs. The Yamaha machines are so much faster than the machines we have before, so I think they place at about 5 times the rate, effective rate of what we had before. That the yield and the accuracy of the machines has made it much easier from a process point of view. When I talk to customers in North America and what their expectations are of defects per million, then we typically are a factor of 5 times better than they were looking for. So they've been a dream to work with. They run very quickly and very efficiently. They're very reliable. So they're very good, and we're able to process that throughput with 2 lines with what we might have had 5 or 6 lines to do in the past. Hawker Richardson has always been a good supporter of equipment. They have staff who are very knowledgeable in terms of the different sorts of equipment they provide. And so if we have a problem, then they're very quick to respond. And anything which is urgent has always been addressed very quickly, and they've always been available when we need them as well. What we're looking at as in terms of the future is saying that how do we actually move into the future with a framework of equipment and processes which can support us into the next 10, 20 years as well. I think Hawker Richardson's been a very good company in terms of supporting us in both the acquisition of equipment, making choices and understanding how it works and how it can perform. Because of the range of equipment, it meant that they could look at the whole beginning to end of the processes and look at how that all fits together. And they have a real understanding of the industry. They've been in the electronics industry a long time.